All right, we're going to go ahead and prepare our shrimp. So we're going to take our plate and a small cup. We're still going to be using our cutting board for other ingredients, so we're going to go ahead and put our gloves on and only have the shrimp touch these two things so we don't contaminate any other of our surface areas. And when we take all the shells off, we're going to discard them. And then we're going to take our sherry mixture. We're going to add our shrimp right inside. Then we're going to take our shiitake mushrooms and we're going to mix all of these together. And you'll notice at this point that once the mushrooms have interacted with the sherry, that smell has now disappeared.